New way of snaking a toilet. Power washer hose hooked to the power washer wand, hooked to this fancy little thing that shoots jets of water behind it as it travels down the pipe. Goes up to 100 feet. It gets anything soft and clogged up, nothing hard. It's not as aggressive as a snake, but really easy to use once you get a power washer set up. It's pretty awesome. We're about 50 feet in, and it kind of self-propels because the jets shoot behind it, and you can use the ramrod in the front to unclog it. Pretty neat. Just take off the toilet, do this, should be clear pretty fast.